Area in South Tampa where some homeowners and businesses say that they need relief. They have flooded too many times. Tonight, they packed a church off of South Howard Avenue to talk about Tampa's flood relief project for that area.
But not everyone was on board with this, with some well-known businesses like Burn's Steakhouse fighting against this. 10 Tampa Bay's Angelicia Bruton is live on South Howard Avenue tonight, where construction could start as early as 2026.
That's right, and everyone agreed that flooding has been a major issue, and it's just been an issue for years, but they don't agree on how they should address it. Now, a majority of this project will include drainage improvements on this street, which is causing a lot of concerns for businesses. One by one, business owners along South Howard addressed the financial impact the city's flood relief project will have on them and their employees.
For our restaurant, just in October, we were closed 8.5 days because of the storms. 8.5 days. We lost over $100,000 in sales, $20,000 in products due to loss of power.
We have a wine warehouse that has a collection of probably close to $20 to $40 million worth of wine in it. Vibration creates a negative impact on aged red wine.
The city of Tampa plans to close roads to put several box culverts along South Howard. To minimize disruption, it says the project will be done in phases that could take up to 7 weeks each.
We have an early works phase that will pave side streets to make sure access from all directions is possible through construction as much as is feasible.
This is called the South Howard Project. It's really a Parkland Estates project.
The city says it's willing to work with businesses and homeowners, but this is needed to alleviate flooding in several neighborhoods.
We are in Parkland Estates, but we support Palmacia Pines too.
The area received 50 million gallons of water just from Hurricane Milton.
My home flooded. We've been through a lot. We had to move out.
Many homeowners say they're tired of flooded streets and are thankful something's being done.
I just want to have a solution. I want us to move forward, and I want to support my neighbors, and I want to support the businesses on Howard and help get this problem solved.
The city says its goal is to keep the public involved every step of the way, and it's spent $300,000 on community engagement. And this Thursday, the city will vote on a design contract for this project. Live on South Howard, Angelicia Bruton, 10 Tampa Bay.